Our next topic is absolute error, relative error and percentage error, which is important topic for doing our numerical. The first one is absolute error. Absolute error is the error in the measurement of physical quantity, and it is given as the magnitude of difference between true value and measured value, right? So measured value, difference between true value and measured value, as I have explained earlier, right? Let us calculate this. Let us consider a physical quantity is measured n times, and let a1, a2, a3, so on, an represent its measured values. Then, as I have told earlier, that errors can be reduced by taking mean of that. So let us take the mean. So that is represented by am is equal to a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus so on an divided by n. So am is equal to 1 by n, or we can write this as summation I is equal to 1 to n ai by n, right? So this is the mean value. Now what is the definition? Definition is, it is the difference between true value and measured value, right? So this is considered, this mean value is considered as true value, as it is close to our true value, so we took it as true value. So if we want to calculate the error in first measured value, delta a1 is the error in first measured value. It is given as am minus a1, right? What is that? True value minus measured value. Similarly, delta a2 represent the error in the second measured value. It is given as am minus a2. Similarly, delta a3 represent the difference between measured value and true value and measured value, and so on. Delta an is equal to am minus an. So these all are known as absolute errors in case of measured value. Now these can be positive or negative depending upon the measured value to be greater or smaller. If this measured value is greater than the true value, in that case the absolute error will be negative, and if it is smaller than the true value, it will be positive. So absolute error can be positive or negative depending upon the value of measured value. Next, we can calculate the mean absolute error. The mean absolute error is defined as the mean of arithmetic mean of, we will more precisely write it as arithmetic mean of all values of absolute errors. If we take the mean of absolute errors, then that is called mean absolute error. So more precisely we will write it as am mean. Delta a mean represent the mean of absolute errors. So this is written as 1 by n delta a1 plus delta a2 plus so on delta an, right? So writing here n. Keep in mind, here we have taken the modulus of every absolute error. It means while taking the mean of absolute error, we are considering only in the single positive sign. Negative sign value will also be taken as the positive value. So this is called delta a mean. So for writing the error, if we want to write the error, the final result of measurement will be written as a is equal to am plus minus delta a mean, right? Am matlab true value, and delta a mean means error. So any physical quantity will be written as true value plus minus error. It means that the error can be the true value which we have calculated can be greater than the true value or the smaller than the true value. For example, let us consider the true value of any physical quantity is 5.7, and average is 0.1. So we will write the physical quantities as 5.7 plus minus 0.1. So it means the value could be 5.8 or it could be 5.6. Means our value lies between 5.8 and 5.6. So this is how we represent any physical quantity.